Hello everyone. Today we are going to analyze a portal frame using slope deflection method. So here our figure is given a portal frame A, B, C, D. A support is a fixed support and D support is also fixed support. Then over this A, B and C, D member there is no load. The next BC portion, over this BC portion 70 kilonewton point load is that, and same over this BC member 10 kilonewton per meter UDL is act. So its total span is 5 meter. It divided into two equal parts, that is from B point to point load distance is 2.5 meter and from point load to C point distance is 2.5 meter. So solution is, first step, to find out fix a degree of kinematic indeterminacy, that is dki is equal to 2, that is theta b and theta c, that is unknown displacement are 2, that is theta b and theta c, and known displacement is equal to theta a is equal to 0 and theta d is equal to 0. The next step, step number second, that is to find out fix and movement, that is FEM. So in that, first take first member AB member. So first fix and movement for member AB is equal to fix and movement for member BA is equal to fix and movement for member CD is equal to fix and movement for member DC is equal to 0 because of there is no load over this member. The next fix and movement for member BC is equal to over this member two loading condition is act. So formula is same for fix and movement for member CB is equal to, so sign is plus or minus, formula is WL square divided by 12 plus WL by 8. Okay, so here we used WL square divided by 12 formula for UDL condition, and for point load we used WL by 8 formula. So here W, that is UDL weight, is 10 multiplied by distance is 5 square divided by 12 plus, next is point load is 70, so 70 multiplied by length is 5 divided by 8. So this answer is plus or minus 64.58 kilonewton meter. So here fix and movement for member BC is 64.58 kilonewton meter and fix and movement for member CB is equal to minus 64.58 kilonewton meter. Okay, so these are our fix and movement. Then next, step number 3, write slope deflection equation. So first take AB member. So slope deflection equation at member AB is equal to, formula is fix and movement for member AB plus 4EI theta A divided by L plus 2EI theta B divided by L minus 6EI delta divided by L square. So here we know that value of fix and movement is equal to 0, which is already calculated in step number second. So here 0, delta term is also 0 and we know that value of theta A is equal to 0. So that's why this whole term is equal to 0. So remaining is 2ei theta B divided by L. L is nothing but 4 meter. So here 2 divided by 4 is nothing but 0.5 ei theta B. This is equation number 1. Then next, slope deflection equation at member BA is equal to, formula is fixed moment for member BA plus 2ei theta A divided by L plus 4ei theta B divided by L minus 6ei delta divided by L square. So here delta term is equal to 0 and theta A term is equal to 0. So here fixed moment for member BA is also equals to 0. So remaining is 4ei theta B divided by L. L is nothing but 4 meter. So answer is, here 4 get cancel, length is 4 meter. So 4 get cancel. Answer is ei theta B. This is equation number 2. Then next, slope deflection equation for member BC is equal to, formula is fixed moment for member BC plus 4ei theta B divided by L. L is nothing but 5 meter plus 2ei theta C divided by L minus 6ei delta divided by L square, that is 5 square. So here delta term is equal to 0. Then remaining, we know that value of fixed moment for member BC is 64.58. You can see here in step number 2, fixed moment for member BC is 64.58. So here 64.58 plus 4 divided by 5 is nothing but 0.8 ei theta B plus 2 divided by 5 is nothing but 0.4 ei theta C. This is equation number 3. Then after that, slope deflection equation for member CB is equal to, formula is fixed moment for member CB plus 2ei theta B divided by length is 5 meter plus 4ei theta C divided by 5 minus 6ei delta divided by L square, that is 5 square. So here delta term is equal to 0. So remaining is, we know that value of fixed moment for member CB is minus 64.58 plus 2 divided by 5 is nothing but 0.4 ei theta B plus 4 divided by 5 is nothing but 0.8 ei theta C. This is equation number 4. Then next, last member is CD member. So slope deflection equation at member CD is equal to, formula is fixed moment for member CD plus 4ei theta C divided by length is 4 meter plus 2ei theta D divided by 4 minus 6ei delta divided by 4 square. So here delta term is equal to 0. Then we know that value of theta D is equal to 0. So that's why this whole term is equal to 0. And also fixed moment for member CD is also equals to 0. So remaining is, here 4 get cancelled. So only ei theta C remains. This is equation number 5. And last, slope deflection equation at member DC is equal to, formula is fixed moment for member DC plus 2ei theta C divided by L is 4 meter plus 4ei theta D divided by 4 minus 6ei delta divided by 4 square. So here delta term is equal to 0, theta d term is equal to 0 and fixed moment at member DC is equal to 0. So remaining is 2 divided by 4 is nothing but 0.5. So 0.5 EI theta C. This is equation number 2. Okay, this six equation is our slope deflection equation. Then next, step number 4, apply equilibrium equations. So first, apply equilibrium equation at joint B and C. So here take first joint at joint B. So you can see here in this figure at point B, two members act, that is BA member and BC member. So here adding slope deflection equation at member BA and BC. That is equation number 2 and equation number 3. So second equation is slope deflection equation at member BA is equal to EI theta B plus next slope deflection equation at member BC is equal to 64.58 plus 0.8 EI theta B plus 0.4 EI theta C is equal to 0. So solve this equation. Here EI theta B plus 0.8 EI theta B is nothing but 1.8 EI theta B and plus 0.4 EI theta C is equal to this minus 64.58. This is equation number 7. Then next, apply equilibrium equation at joint C. So at joint C, CB member and CD member is act. So here adding slope deflection equation at member CB plus slope deflection equation at member C to D is equal to 0. So CB equation is 1 EI theta C minus slope deflection equation at member CD is 64.58 plus 0.4 EI theta B plus 0.8 EI theta C is equal to 0. So here solve this equation. Here EI theta C plus 0.8 EI theta C is nothing but 1.8 EI theta C plus this 0.4 EI theta B is equal to this 64.58. This is equation number 8. Then to solve equation number 7 and 8, then we get values of unknown displacements, that is theta B and theta C value. So here theta B value is minus 46.13 divided by EI and theta C value is 46.13 divided by EI. So these are our unknown displacement. Then next, step number 5, that is to find out final moments. So here put theta B and theta C value in equation number 1 to 6, then we get end moments. So first take first equation, that is slope deflection equation at member AB is equal to, equation is 0.5 EI theta B. So put theta B value in this equation and we get end moment at member AB. So end moment is, theta B value is minus 46.13 divided by EI. So end moment is minus 23.065 kilonewton meter. Then next, end moment at member BA is equal to, equation is EI theta B. Theta B value is minus 46.13 divided by EI. So answer is minus 46.13 kilonewton meter. Then next, end moment at member BC is equal to, equation is 0.8 EI theta B. Theta B is minus 46.13 divided by EI plus 0.4 EI theta C. Theta C value is 46.13 divided by EI plus 64.58. So answer is, end moment for member BC is 46.13 kilonewton meter. Then next, end moment at member CB is equal to, equation is 0.4 EI theta B. Theta B is minus 46.13 divided by EI plus 0.8 EI theta C. Theta C value is 46.13 divided by EI minus 64.58. So answer is minus 46.13 kilonewton meter. Then last member is, end moment at member CD is equal to, equation is EI theta C. So theta C value is 46.13 divided by EI. So here answer is only 46.13 kilonewton meter positive. And last, end moment at member DC is equal to, so equation is 0.5 EI theta C, that is theta C value is 46.13 divided by EI. So answer is 23.06 kilonewton meter. Okay, so these are our final end moments. Then next, from this end moment, draw free body diagram, and from free body diagram draw bending moment diagram. So step number 6, draw free body diagram and bending moment diagram. So free body diagram is, this is AB, BC and CD. So over this BC member 10 kilonewton UDL is act, 10 kilonewton per meter, and 70 kilonewton point load is act. Total span is 5 meter and AB and CD span is 4 meter. So first, end moment at member AB, you can see here value is minus 23.065 minus value, so that's why here we take clockwise movement. Here 23.065. Then next, end moment at member BA is also minus 46.13. So here moment is like that, 46.13. Then at member BC value is 46.13 positive. So here moment is like that, 46.13. Next, at member CB value is minus 46.13. So minus because of, so that's why we take clockwise movement here, 46.13. Then next, End moment at member CD is also 46.13 but positive. So moment is like that. And last is at DC, end moment is 23.06 positive. So here 23.06. Okay, this is our free body diagram. Then next, from this diagram to draw bending moment diagram. Here A, B, C and D point. Then first, end moment at member AB is 23.06. Here 23.06 minus. And next, end moment at member BA is 46.13 approximately here. So diagram is like that. Then next, end moment at member BC is 46.13 approximately here, and CB also 46.13. Then next, end moment at member CD is 46.13 and end moment at member DC is 23.06. Okay, then next bending moment diagram is, we know that over this BC member 70 kilonewton point load is act. So formula is, for point load, formula is WL by 4. So here W is 70, length is 5 meter divided by 4 is nothing but 87.5. So approximately here diagram is like that. Then next, same 10 kilonewton per meter point load is that. So formula for UDL is equal to WL square divided by 8. So here W is 10 multiplied by 5 square divided by 8. So answer is 31.25. So approximately here diagram is like that. So this is our bending moment diagram. Bending moment diagram in kilonewton meter. Thank you.